Hello, my name is Alex, and today I'm gonna show you how to make mango jam. How you make mango jam is you take 500 grams of mangoes and then you remove the seed from the 500 grams of mangoes. After you remove the seed out of the 500 grams of mangoes, you cut it into small pieces. After you cut the mangoes into small pieces, you will use a spoon and put the mangoes inside of a pot or a container. After you put all of the 500 grams of mango, you have to put a half of cup of sugar. After you put the half of a cup of sugar, you have to mix it with the spoon. After you mix it with the spoon, you have to use this. Mix until the sugar dissolves. You have to add the half of tablespoon of lemon. Then after you add it, mix it again. After you mix the lemon, you have to put another half of sugar, another half cup of sugar. And then you mix it again. After you mix all of the ingredients, you have to cook it. See ya! 3, 2, 1. Here we are now cooking the mango jam. To cook the mango jam, you have to on this, then set it to 100 degrees. After you set it to 100 degrees, you have to mix it until it thickens. Once it's thick enough, your jam is done. You can let it cool now and eat it once it's cool. After you let it cool down, you will put it in the container. After you put it in, you close the lid and put it in the freezer. See you later when it freezes or cools again.
Mawakan mo yung mango jam mo, dali. Ayan na, mawakan mo, bilis. Pakita mo. Art mango jam. Ayun mo, dali.
Walang purpose to like.
Ayan, oo. Iganon mo. Ganyan lang gawin mo. Oo, di ba?
Ayaw ko ma.
Sige na, yun ang ending.
Cringe.